I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin on Exodus with PayPal. Open Exodus and go to the Buy Crypto tab, then choose Bitcoin. Select PayPal as your payment method, enter the amount you want to spend, and confirm the PayPal pop-up to authorize payment. Wait for the transaction to confirm and check your Exodus wallet for the incoming BTC balance once the network processes it. Start by linking PayPal in Exodus if the option is available, then prepare your funds. Enter the dollar amount or BTC amount you want to buy and review the total including fees. Confirm the transaction and complete the PayPal authorization when prompted. After payment, monitor the transaction status within Exodus and allow time for blockchain confirmations until your BTC appears in your wallet. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read if you want smarter money habits, and it pairs nicely with learning to manage crypto responsibly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick it up, you might laugh at how practical it is. Now let's get back to the video. If you are new, try a small test purchase to confirm everything works as expected and become comfortable with the steps. Protect your recovery phrase and enable extra security in Exodus and PayPal, like 2FA and strong passwords. For long-term storage, transfer significant funds to a hardware wallet and keep only what you need for spending in software wallets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.